Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Holland beat.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Confidence is the key. Okay, so this quick visualization technique is going to help y'all immensely. Visualize yourself on a beach walking as a king or a queen. Listen to beach sounds and see yourself on that beach. Knowing that you are the God and Goddess of your world is an important key to your spiritual work and manifesting on this earthly realm. You have to be confident in whatever you do, and this visualization technique will help deprogram your subconscious mind as follower, sheep, laggeth. In this quick and easy visualization, your intention is confidence, that inner knowing, trusting what you know and going with it no matter anyone's opinion. Sit up straight in a comfortable chair and make sure you're completely relaxed. Take 3 to 5 deep breaths and constantly breathe throughout the whole visualization meditation technique. See yourself with a crown or tiara and visualize yourself walking along the beach, looking out to the water. The beach represents relaxation, comfortable, vacation mode. You ever notice on vacation you feel so comfortable, powerful, and grateful? Some of it has to do with you being in a new space and time. But also in vacation mode, you don't have to do or listen to the mundane routine or your day-to-day grind. Make the choice in your life and let your inner God shine through by powering up your subconscious with, I am ruler of all I survey. Remember, your own universe. Dream wise.